Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Thursday, December 5th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this Thursday. Please be seated. Today we are focusing on being respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. And idea 4 is respecting other students' comments, opinions, and ideas. And celebrating a birthday today in 2nd grade is Danny Munoz. Happy birthday. And Catherine Garcia Ruiz in 4th grade. Have an amazing day and make sure you stop by my office to get your birthday little gift. All right, so like I've been saying the past few days, we are going to get you guys all new IDs. These are special ones that cannot be lost. So once you receive your brand new one, make sure that it is in a safe place at all times. Also, today is Thursday, so you're going to go to your 4th block for academic block. And take some time to look at your uniform. Uniforms look better yesterday, but make sure that your shirt is always tucked in and that if you have a Not an Idea jacket on when you walk in the building, that you're taking it off, putting it in your backpack right away. Alrighty, it is already Thursday, so good luck on your math test, 2nd graders. But look at the next 2 weeks. We have lots and lots of testing. Also, I will see some of you at Saturday school on Saturday. So make sure that you give your invitation to your parents and that you are here on Saturday. I have some really exciting announcements for our Royal Readers. So proud of your hard work, Gabriel Lopez Zavaleta and Christopher Guerrero Laredo. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is a huge deal to be a Royal Reader. You should be so proud of yourself. And obviously to all our word masters. Yesterday, we had only a couple of people out in each grade level, which meant that we had a 97.6 attendance. And you know our goal is 97.5, so that means we actually hit 88 by 0.1. Can you imagine if one of you decided that you didn't want to come to school yesterday? We would have missed it. So today, it's going to be another really beautiful day, and so is tomorrow. Did you know, for our health fact of today, that eating oatmeal provides a serotonin boost, which calms the brain and improves the mood? I love oatmeal. All right, in our attendance challenge, make sure you are here every single day. Get ready to say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready and go. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. And I promised you that I would do a Throwback Thursday picture. Let me know if you can identify the little girl circled in the picture. She is now one of your Rattler teachers. So we'll see if you can figure out who that is, but that is our Throwback Thursday picture. Make it a wonderful Thursday. Remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you, and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call the parents of students who are out and message the ADA GroupMe.